Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tidbits, promotions, and giveaways. We were thrilled to have Francis Riley, Senior Vice President for International Sales and Marketing for Norwegian Cruise Lines, on with us yesterday. Today, we have 3 gift certificates valued at Jamaican $2,500 each to offer to the first 3 persons who can voice note the correct answers to our questions. Vouchers are good for use on any travel, resort, cruise, excursions, family, or otherwise for bookings that are completed by April 2017, and they must travel by December of 2017. So, are you ready? Before we go on to the questions, this is an open book test. So if you feel you need to go back to yesterday's recording and play it through so you can find the answers, no worries. The only criteria is that you voice note all 3 answers to me right away. And just in case you're getting this message forwarded from a friend's phone, send your voice note messages to 527-4098. Can't wait to have you play. So let's go. Your first question is, name the cabin category with Norwegian Cruise Lines that entitles you to get all 5 free offers mentioned in yesterday's promotion. So I'll say that again. Name the cabin category with Norwegian Cruise Lines that entitles you to get all 5 free special offers mentioned in yesterday's presentation. Question number 2. Name any of the Broadway presentations or productions, Broadway shows, that you will enjoy on a Norwegian cruise. Question number 3. How much is the reduced deposit that each passenger in a stateroom will pay if they book their Norwegian vacation on any of the 16 ships that will be sailing through to 2018 if they book by this week? So, question again. Name or state the reduced deposit that you will be paying if you complete that booking before the end of this week. How much? Dollar figure, please. And your final question is, does Norwegian Cruise Line accommodate single travelers? And if so, can you name the category that was built specifically for our solo travelers? That's great. I anticipate a flurry of answers. And remember, you can send your voice notes all the way through to the end of this physical week to be in the drawing for those 3 free gift certificates. I hope you found this interaction very, very rewarding. And I really look forward to meeting and greeting our first 3 winners of this week's offer. You know, here at Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, it's a win-win proposition, as together we take you to the world and back. You have an amazing day, and we look forward to sailing, to discovering, and to embracing the world. There's so much to see, so much to do. Let's do it together. Ciao for now.